Hi guys, I'm the British WW2 man, and today I got another video for you, which should be the last parts I need for my Smith & Wesson Victory Revolver. As you can see, it's missing one large part, which is the grips and screws for the grips. So this is what it should be in here. Now it kind of spoils the point of doing an unboxing because you're not meant to tell people what's in it, but who cares? The invoice. So here they are. Now I've needed one of these for ages just because this had these horrible like modern shooter grips. I'll pause and go get them. So here are the old grips. As you can see, they're all encompassing to the pistol's grip and pretty naff. If you want to have it in a holster, or at least the proper sort of holster you should have it in. So here we have brand new ones. To open it. So here are the two new grips, the proper grips, the ones that it should have. So they're a bit greasy, but I don't care. And they fit quite well by the looks of them. And there's also this little indentation here at the bottom. You can see there's two holes. That's for the screw, that's for this little part here. So I get this in, that'll be my British officer's impression complete. It will also allow me to use this revolver for other things as well, because you can't really have a revolver missing parts of it, like the grips, which are pretty important. Fact. Oh, no, there it goes. Now, big question, which way does the screw go? I'm going to say screw looks like it goes in from the right, this side here. So just have to poke it through here because there's a bit of, in fact, now it goes into that side because there's a thread on that side. Stick it through here. So I won't do it up too tight, because if you do it up too tight then you won't be able to get it out if you want to change it again to anything else. And also you can damage the grips. Done that before on my replica Smith & Wesson, no, my replica Colt 1851 Navy. I accidentally did the grips screwed up too tight and they were the wrong grips anyway, but hey ho, it actually cracked the grips. But yeah, that is now complete as it would have been originally during the war. So very happy with that. Now is completing my British officer's impression almost, and it also allows me to do what's it called, British Resistance, Coleshill House, whatever that was called. Can't remember it off my brain's gone crap. Churchill's Secret Army, all units, that's the name of it. All units. Yeah. So I'm gonna need to get my lanyard for it. It's lost somewhere in my room. But yeah, it should work fine on that. I also might use this for British spy impression, or rather German spy in Britain impression, because you could, I believe you could have one of these in Britain and it'd be more, well, less like conspicuous if you to have a revolver like this than if you to have, say, a Mauser HSC pistol or something like that. Because you could say, oh, I bought this, and it would be fine because it would be a British weapon, whereas if you have a German weapon, you're like, why have you got a German weapon? If you got caught, for example. So yeah, I'm going to cut the ends off these heads just so it makes it look like it's got cylinder full. Yeah, then I got my proper Smith & Wesson 38 Smith & Wesson rounds here. So yeah, I've only got 2 of them just because they're like £2.50 each and I'd already spent a lot of money. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, subscribe. Bye.